Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to export bookmarks in Google Chrome on a PC or a laptop. And it's a good idea just to do this as a backup, because every now and again with Windows updates sometimes you will lose your bookmarks bar and then you'll lose all your links into websites. And I'll also show you how to import the bookmarks as well into Google Chrome. Right, here you can see that I've got lots of links, lots of folders to different websites, so it'd be really annoying if you lost all of these. Right, let's export all these bookmarks so we can keep a backup. Click on these three dots in the top right hand corner, click on bookmarks, then select bookmark manager, then select these three dots, then select export bookmarks. It will then export it to an HTML file, so just select where you want to save this to. I'm just going to save it to the desktop, then select the save button and those bookmarks are now saved to your desktop. And now what to do if your bookmarks have disappeared. We need to import those back in. And now we can see that my bookmarks have actually disappeared, so I need to import those back in. Select the three dots in the top right hand corner, then select bookmarks and select import bookmarks and settings. Then select where you want to import them from. I'm going to import them from a bookmarks HTML file. Make sure that this is ticked. Then click on choose file. Go to that HTML file that we saved earlier, then click on open, and instantaneously you'll see that all the bookmarks have arrived back on my bookmarks bar with all the links to all the websites. And that's how easy it is. So it's definitely worth exporting your bookmarks just so you've got them as a backup. And now it's time for a lovely cup of tea. Whilst I walk down the staircase of life, in the top right is what to do if your Google bookmarks have disappeared, how to get them back. In the top left, how to easily zoom in and out in Google Chrome. And in the bottom left, how to sort your bookmarks in alphabetical order. I hope that was useful.